Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading towards Jeram Kedah, located to a small Orang Asli village called Kampung Chelogeh, near Kampung Jeram Kedah in Beranang district of Lenggeng. Surrounded by unspoiled countryside of forests and orchards with a few Orang Asli settlement.
Selamat datang ke Jeram Kedah.
The waterfall is a very pleasant and peaceful spot. The waterfall has formed a soft sandy beach trapped behind a concrete wall, which was part of an old water catchment area. There is section of broken pipe here.
Dalam Pasir.
The waterfall itself small, just 2 or 3 meter high, and you could with caution enjoy a vigorous power shower here if you want, bearing in mind that all waterfalls are dangerous.
Wow.
If you are adventurous, you can cross the other side of the river and find a trail taking you to the second upper fall, which is actually more scenic. Jeram Kedah is an open, unfenced area, so there are no opening hours or entrance fee. There are no facilities either. If you have time, feel free to visit the beautiful waterfall.